In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate third-party apps in QuickBooks Online. If you want your favorite business tools to work more smoothly with QuickBooks Online, the built-in integration area is the place to start. Connecting an app can help streamline your workflow, reduce manual data entry, and make it easier to keep your records updated across different platforms. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to go. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the All Apps section. This is where QuickBooks organizes available apps and connections that can work alongside your accounting system. Once you're there, look for the Accounting category and then open Integration Transactions. This area is specifically designed to help you manage and set up app connections related to your accounting activity, so if you're trying to link a third-party tool, this is the correct place to be. After you've opened Integration Transactions, take a moment to browse through the available apps and find the one you want to integrate. If you already know the app you're looking for, this part should be quick. If not, you may want to carefully scan the list to make sure you choose the correct one, since many apps can have similar names or functions. Selecting the right integration is important because it determines how your data will connect and flow between systems. Once you've found the app you want, click Connect Free Integration. This will start the connection process and guide you through the setup. At this stage, QuickBooks will usually display a series of prompts or permission requests. Simply follow the instructions shown on the screen and complete each prompt as needed. These prompts may include confirming access, reviewing what information will be shared, or authorizing the connection between the two platforms. As you go through the setup, read each screen carefully so you understand what the integration will be allowed to do. That helps prevent confusion later and makes sure the app is connected the way you expect. If an app requires additional confirmation, just continue following the on-screen directions until the setup is complete, and that's it. Once the prompts are completed, your third-party app should be integrated with QuickBooks Online. From there, you can begin using the connection to support your accounting workflow more efficiently. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more QuickBooks Online tutorials.